In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in San Bernardino County. We'll be using the official San Bernardino County Court's website, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to click. If you want to follow along, it can help to have your ticket or case details nearby before you begin, since the payment portal may ask you to confirm information related to your citation. Start by going to the San Bernardino County Court's website. Once the homepage loads, look for the traffic section and select the option labeled Pay a Traffic Ticket. This will take you to the page specifically designed for traffic fine payments and related services. When you arrive on that page, scroll down until you find the section called To Pay Online. Take your time here and make sure you're on the correct part of the page, because this section is where the online payment link is located. The website may also include helpful information about eligibility, deadlines, and payment-related instructions, so it's a good idea to read carefully before moving forward. Next, click the link that says "Click here" to access the online payment portal. After you select it, a new tab will open. That's expected, so don't worry if the page changes or another browser tab appears. The new tab will take you to the court's payment system, where you can continue with your traffic-related transaction. On that portal page, you may also notice other online or phone services listed. These can include options to pay a fine and sign up for traffic school, request an extension for a court appearance date, or request a one-time payment extension. This is useful if you're not just trying to make a payment, but also need to handle one of those related tasks through the same system. You may also see additional payment options mentioned on the page. For example, the court notes that you can use online banking through your financial institution. If that's the method you prefer, you'll need to contact your bank for details on how to send that payment correctly. This can be a helpful alternative for people who prefer to manage payments directly through their bank account. As you complete the process, double check that you're entering the correct citation or case information and review everything before submitting. It's always smart to save or print your confirmation once the payment goes through, just so you have a record for your files. That's it. You've now seen how to get to the official online payment portal for paying a traffic ticket in San Bernardino County.